Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, guys. This is African Lioness TV. If you are new here, welcome. So we're gonna wait a little bit for some people to join us. Okay, yeah, so let's give some minutes for people to join us, because what we are going to discuss today, it's good that we wait for a few people to come in. Okay, yes, so let's wait for some people to tune in. Welcome, African Lioness TV's fam. Welcome to another video. So this Ghana issue, this Ghana king issue, so we need to address it here. We need to address it right now. Okay, yeah, so Ghana people, gather here, guys. Now Nigerian people, gather here. So everybody, we have been hearing about, in fact, on social media have been on fire because of this Ghana king, Igbo king. They say Igbo king in Ghana is not a Ghana king, it's an Igbo king in Ghana. Okay, yes. So, and Ghana people are taking it so serious to another level. They said the man. So the story is that, in case you are new on this Igbo king in Ghana, so the story is that an Igbo man, they say his name is Dr. Is it Emetu, something like that. So he relocated from Nigeria to Ghana for like a decade, over 30 years. So this Igbo is a tribe in Nigeria, because Nigerian people have 3 tribes: Hausa, Igbo, Yoruba. So these 3 tribes, they are 3 different ethnic groups in 3 different ethnic groups in Nigeria: Igbo, Yoruba, and Hausa. So, and these 3 families have been, living together. God have created them to be together in one country called Nigeria. Though we have middle belters. Yeah, there are middle belters that also lives in Nigeria. Okay, all of us are made up. Nigeria is made up of these 3 tribes, major tribes, and other smaller tribes. So, guys, anybody can travel to any country, right? Anybody can travel to any country, and anybody can reside in any country of your choice, right? Okay. So, but the issue of Igbo must go in Ghana arise because a man, they said he's from Igbo, he's an Igbo man. A man from Igbo land relocated to Ghana for over 30 years, and they said he came there to sell cassettes. So he's a petty trader when he newly came to Ghana. But along the line, petty trader now become a big business tycoon. A petty trader now started selling cassettes. So at a point, he is now a very rich man that commands the day, right? So now, this man got married. He married a Ghanaian lady. And they have children. They are married. God bless them with children. They are still living in Ghana as we speak. So this man now invested on real estate, buying lands and other stuff. He invested on real estate many years ago. They say he bought over Is it 50 acres or so, or 250 acres of land? So this his 250 acres of land, he now made a video that he want to build a village, Igbo village in Ghana. So, and this thing happened 2013. This thing we are talking about happened 2013. Oh. And the Ghana people did not allow, they did not allow uh, the man, they didn't give approval of the project this man wanted to do. Ghana people did not give him approval for that. So the man just stopped the whole thing. He did not continue the Igbo village he wanted to build in Ghana. But what I'm asking, do you people, Ghana people, do you people think that this man, if he finish building this Igbo village, he will start dishing out or start sharing the houses he built there to Igbo people? As Father Christmas that he is. As the richest man on earth, even if he is Bill Gates, even if he's Bill Gates, or even if he's Elon Musk and co, will he build a village and now distribute, share the homes to his people? So how do you think that this man can do such a thing? How do you think that he can do such a thing? You know it's not possible. You guys are just persecuting the man for nothing. You know, a hardworking man. You guys supposed to even study this man. Ghana people, let me put it to you. You guys supposed to study this man. If I were you, I will study this man. If I were you, I will study this man so that Ghana people will learn from him. But now, some miscreants, some enemies of progress, especially even in Nigeria, I can see some of the other tribes of Nigeria, how they are now gaslighting, especially people that are the people that already collected money from their paymasters to tarnish the image of the Igbo tribe, Igbo extraction in Nigeria, so that they will be able to climb their Wayo seat 2027. You see, Igbo people, they are not on your way. Igbo people are not on your way. Any day, anytime. Igbo people, they are not on anybody's way. Okay? Leave Igbo people alone. Take Igbo name out of your mouth. Because Igbo people are struggling by themselves since they fought Biafran war, and they rewarded the Nigerian people. Nigerian government collected everything Igbo people have on earth, collected their money, collected their businesses, only gave them 20 pounds. Only gave every family in Igbo land that have account in bank, they wipe all the money, and finally they just gave them 20 pounds to start life afresh. You see? So there is PTSD. There is PTSD for some of the Igbo people you are seeing. Yes. Yes. Because the way Nigerian government treated them during the war is nothing to write home about. And up to today, they are still doing it. But that's not a criteria for anybody to do anything bad or anything fraudulent or anything crime. No. Nobody will justify such. But this man we are talking about, this Igbo man that traveled to Ghana, married a Ghanaian lady, gave birth to children in Ghana, lived in Ghana all through his life for over 30 years. There is nothing bad I see that man. He didn't do anything bad. This man did not do anything bad, guys. If you say he did something bad, what did he do? Okay, he said he bought a plenty acres of land and he said he want to build a village. Go to different countries of the world. If you will not see other countries that built their empire, built their villages there, and their communities, built their churches and schools, and they live there, and they thrive there, and they coexist well with the community where they find themselves. So why are you so afraid of the Igbos? That's my question. I have asked this question in my previous videos, and I'm asking it again and again. And I'll still ask that question again. Why are people afraid? This man is doing legitimate business. Somebody who came in his youthful age, as a young boy. He came to Ghana as a young boy. He lived there for over 30 years. He came to sell cassettes, according to them. I was not there. They said he started selling cassette. From there, his business started growing. Now, he got married to a Ghanaian. Now he became a rich man, and he bought plenty acres of land. And he said, oh, this my plenty acres of land, I will build a village where I will dedicate and say, oh, my community, my Igbo tribe, anytime, anywhere you come to Ghana, I have a place for you. Anybody that said that, what is wrong? What is wrong about that? Can you people show us anywhere in your constitution that you say visitor, foreigner, cannot buy plenty acres of land? Is there anywhere you wrote it? Maybe if you didn't write it and that is what is your problem, you better go and tell your lawmakers to now add that no foreigner will come to Ghana and buy plenty acres of land. You guys are driving investors. So you are driving the investors that will patronize you people, investors that will come and invest in Ghana. It is through all these communities that people, foreigners, come and build. That is what brings about development. If una no know something, make una know and now. See, me, I know I'm not part of those Nigerians that will be telling you people they will be sugarcoating things. They will be talking, so that Ghana will not send Nigerians back to Nigeria. It doesn't matter. See, this life, it has two faces. Today, not the other face. The other day, it will flip. Okay, this life, this world you are seeing, has two faces. Two faces. It can change at any time. The table can turn. The table can turn. You remember when they were saying Ghana must go in Nigeria, right? When a lot of Ghana, they were in Nigeria, some of them don't have anything doing. Nothing. You see them engaging on different criminalities in Nigeria. But Nigerians were able to tolerate all those. But it got too much that Nigerians say, abeg, Ghana must go. You see? That one is different from somebody doing legitimate business, adding to your economy. Adding to your economy. Bought plenty acres of land, a married wife in your community, in your place. If that man is not a legitimate man, your president, your big guys, your big men in government will not recognize the man. So what is wrong? What is it that this man did that you don't like? That every time, Igbo king in Ghana, Igbo king in Ghana. You people crowned Arab man a king. You people crowned an Arab man king in Ghana. You people crowned Chinese men king in Ghana. You can see from the thumbnail of this video, you can see the pictures of Arab man and Chinese man that you people crowned chief, crowned king in Ghana. But the one that you are not happy with is the one that a Nigerian man is now a king of his tribe, not king of Ghana. Not king of Ghana. This thing we are saying, this man is not saying, I am a king of Ghana. This man said that he is a king, Igbo king in Ghana. It's a simple English. I don't know if people understand that English. A king, Igbo king in Ghana. Igbo king. He's an Igbo king living in Ghana. So I watched one video. The lady is a Nigerian lady, and she's like doing all her possible best to bring Igbos down. But you can't bring Igbos down. Who are you? Who born you? Hey, how dare you feel or think in your life or in your world that you can bring Igbo down? Even the smallest Igbo person, you can't bring an Igbo man or Igbo woman down. It's not possible. If that is your dream for collecting money from your paymaster to bring Igbo down, to rubbish Igbo people, it will not work, my dear. Let me tell you, that will not work. Whoever God is with, nobody can be against. Have you seen where they fought war for 3 years? For 3 years, over 3 years. Biafran war lasted for over 3 years, and these Igbo people are very small people in the country, and now the whole Nigeria fought them for over 3 years. God was with them. You can see that Babangida on his book he wrote, he said that war was not an Igbo war, but Nigerians were lying against the Biafrans that the war was caused by them. But finally now, the Babangida, who was the head of state, who was in power, those people that were in power then, during the time this war broke, they are the ones now, vindicating the Igbos, exposing the truth that the war was not an Igbo war. The coup was not an Igbo coup. The war was not an Igbo coup. And they now wipe a whole lot of Igbo people. Then the rich Igbo guys, they gave them $20 pounds. So Igbo tribe now started from scratch to build themselves, yet they don't want them to breathe. Why? Why are people why are people's mind like this? This is man inhumanity to man. A rich man that is so wealthy, then after the war, you just gave the person 20 pounds. So you mean, you go and buy. During the war, they blocked everywhere that food come. Everywhere philanthropists brings food, to Biafra land. They block everywhere, and children, mothers, pregnant mothers were not buying because of hunger. They use famine, they use hunger to buy the Igbos during the Biafran war, according to what they said. You see, now these people started selling anything they can lay hands on. You people are mocking this man that how can a cassette seller buy half of Ghana? How can a cassette seller, if you bring half of Ghana and want to sell it to a cassette seller, if the person have the money, he will buy it. It doesn't matter what he sells. You should study that man and learn how that man progressed to that level. That is why I love Oyibos. The white, that is why I love them. I love the white so much. I love them. They are not like this our African people that are doing muchu muchu. When you see somebody progressing, instead of you to put your eyes and learn how that person started from scratch and was able to build up him or herself, instead of you to learn this man, somebody who was selling cassette, all of a sudden was now the person that is buying where he want to build a village for his people. That's to show you that you're supposed to study the man. Because anybody that studied this man and followed the route this man took, the person will also become wealthy like the man. Because all these protests and all these things you people are saying, nobody has said that man has put hand into any criminality. Nobody has said that. All what I'm hearing is this man bought plenty acres of land that he want to use it to establish a kingdom. He want to build a kingdom and now bring Igbo people, because that is what Ghana people do. They did it in Gambia. Ghana did it in Gambia. What are you telling me? What? Ghana people did it in Gambia. They did it in Gambia. They did it in Gambia. Let me show you. Gambia, how Ghana people lived in Gambia for many years. Up to today, Ghana people are living in Gambia, and they have Ghana kingdom, they have Ghana village, they have Ghana community in Gambia. And inside their community, they built houses, they built churches, they built schools, they built universities in that community. And 98% of people living in that Gambia, that Ghana community, Ghana town in Gambia, the whole of them, about 98%, they are all Ghanaians, and they carry their languages. So they carry their languages with them. Oh, they carry their language with them. They carry their wives with them. They carry their children with them. They carry their businesses with them. The fishermen carry their fishery things with them. They carry their concubine along with them. They reside in Gambia. And Gambia people, nobody is disturbing them. Nobody is worrying them. Say, you have come to collect our land. You have come to build kingdom here. That no. In many years now, they will come and start speaking Igbo. It happened in every country of the world. Only one tribe cannot live in this world. Only one tribe cannot live in this world. Only one tribe cannot live here on earth. It's made up of different people. So how do you think that only Ghanaians will live in Ghana? How? You are afraid that, when the man build that kingdom or that community or that estate or that empire, when he build his community, the community there, and name it Igbo people, then later in life, you people will start speaking Igbo. See, if I were you, anything that will bring development, go to Nigeria, Ghana. These Ghana people that are saying this, go to Nigeria, go to Rivers State, go to Lagos. You will see Ghana community. They have their churches there, they have their schools, they have their people doing their legitimate things. And the people that are doing criminality, they're also into their criminality. And if you are caught doing criminality, you will face the responsibility now. You know where they put people that do criminality. You know now. They know they tell a person. If not Timaya say, when the time shall come, my brother lay, tell a person. They know they tell a person. They know they tell a person. So he said with Fino. Yana Fino, both of them sang that song. When the time comes, they need to tell a person. So if you put hand on criminality, you will face the wrath of government. They're gonna handle you, put you where you belong. As you don't want to behave like human, they will not treat you the way you want to treat yourself. So that is it. It's as simple as that. So why are you afraid that maybe a tribe want to now establish their community in Ghana? Is it not a good thing for you, for anybody, any country? If you come to America, go to America, you will see Chinatown in America. Every state in America have Chinatown. And China, they move in mass. As we speak now, China allegedly has even already bought half of Ghana. You are looking at Nigeria and you are not seeing what is in your front. China is almost buying half. They have allegedly bought almost half of Ghana, and you are here looking at Nigerians. You are here looking at the Igbos. No, not all Nigerians. Some Nigerians that are my friends. I watch the videos of what people are saying. Some of the Nigerians that are other tribes, that they behave well. Is this Igbo people? They even say they are cannibals. They are this. They are that. Really, this 21st century, somebody has brainwashed you to the extent to be talking of contest. Is this not talking of contest in this 21st century, this Gen Z age? You know, that people are talking about invention. You know, people are talking about AI, artificial intelligence. People are talking about computer age. You guys are there dragging tribe, saying, oh, your fellow African brothers or your fellow African sisters, they are not welcome in Ghana. Who does that? But Ghanaians are welcome all over the world. Hey, excuse me. So Ghanaians are welcome all over the world. Go to America. They have built their empire there. Ghana people have built their empire. There's one video I will make. I think that video, they invited me and my family in that. I don't know if it is Cameroon people. I will check that video and I will make that video and I'll post it. They carry all our African artifacts. These people, they are Africans, so either Cameroon or Ghana. I will check. They carry all the African artifacts and come to America here. That day, they ship it from Africa to here. Tomorrow, you will say American people have collected your culture. But you are the one now importing your artifact all the way from Africa to America. And if you see how they display it, they displayed it. When if I get the video, I'm going to post the video and you guys are going to watch on this channel. Stay tuned on this channel. I will go and dig that video out. I will dig that video out and I will not make that video and I'll post it. You see, we Africans, if it is Chinese people now that bought that acres of land, you will be happy. If it is other race, you will be happy. But whenever you see your own, you start doing like say you be mumu. You will start displaying your mumu, the mumu in you. See, let me tell you, everybody, both white and black, or anybody, any white and brown, everybody is allowed to live anywhere he or she wants. Don't do that discrimination. Don't do that racism. Africa, imagine you, an Africa, a black man, saying a black man of your type is not going to live where he bought land. You didn't say that this man stole this land, though. You did not say that this man grabbed this land. I had some people saying online, Igbos are land grabbers. Igbos are land grabbers. Tell us any Igbo man that come to your country or your state or your village and grab your land. Give us example. See, Igbos don't grab land. Igbos buy land. Igbos invest. They invest on real estate. They buy land. They suffer. They struggle. They make money. Genuine money. Though you can't say that there are a few eggs too in Igbo land that do bad things, but you cannot generalize that one man bought a land. You can see, people are not even ashamed of themselves. Wait, a man bought a land over 30 years ago, or no, 2013, over 10 years ago. He bought the land, plenty acres of land, and a citizen of Ghana sold this land to this man. And now, because out of jealousy, out of envy, out of everything put together, out of political motivation, because I know that a lot of paymasters are around pushing the narrative. See, when they did not wipe Igbo people during Biafra war, they gave them only 20 pounds to survive. My sister, my brother, go fit wipe them. Now God, whoever God bless, no man can curse. If God bless you, just thank God. God bless you. Hey, nobody born of a woman, oh, that can do nothing, that can do anything to you. Nobody. If you don't know that one, know it from today. So Igbos are blessed. Okay? Igbos are blessed. If you want pie, that one concern you. Because everybody go still pie tomorrow. You see, that Igbo man now in Ghana, there's no way he will carry that land on his head. Carry the land on his head like this, they waka about. Or carry the land, go to Nigeria. When he finish living in Ghana, he will not carry the land on his head and go to Ghana, back to Nigeria. It's not done. And wait, let me educate you if you don't know. This man is married to a woman, a woman, a Ghanaian lady, a citizen of Ghana. If you don't know it now. And this man, the land he bought is both of them, him and the wife, both of them bought the land. He's not the only owner of the land. Your sister is also the owner of the land, for crying out loud. Your sister is the owner of the land. So why are you behaving like an illiterate? Why are you behaving like an illiterate? So you don't know again that man and woman is one. So you now want to say your sister is not entitled, a citizen of Ghana, is not entitled to buy any number of land, acre of land that she want to buy. She has children. She have children. We are afraid. You say, she have a lot of 5 children, that when those children grow now, they'll be speaking Igbo. One Nigerian lady is saying that. She said, Ghana people don't accept or don't allow that man to build that, to have that land. That when the 5 children grow now, the 5 children grow, they will marry, they will be speaking Igbo in that community. Jesus Christ. A Nigerian girl was saying this to another tribe. Those that are collecting money from their paymasters to run Igbo down, but you cannot. You know, who God bless, nobody can cross. Nobody can curse the person. The person is, we Igbos are already blessed. You know, Igbos are already blessed. He say, go and develop your Igbo land. Go to Igbo land and see development. No be church or church. Hey, God of mercy. Go to Igbo land, see development by yourself. Ask your bloggers. Ask your bloggers. Ask some Ghana bloggers that have traveled to Igbo land. Ask them what they saw there. Ask them the type of development they saw there. You need to ask your bloggers, or you go to the bloggers pages that have visited Nigeria and visited Igbo land. Ask them what they saw in Igbo land. Okay, it's not boasting. This is real. Go and find out. It's not coming here to do cho. Coming here to talk what you don't know. You know, they say, landlord, travel and see. Travel and see. Go and see. You say, why not that man go and develop his land? Go and develop Igbo land. Who told you that Igbo land is not developed? Who told you? Even though that we are marginalized, that Igbo people are marginalized in Nigeria, you know, even though they are marginalized, they refuse to accept that marginalization. They refuse to accept it. If you say that, oh, you are looking at me, you want to frustrate me, you want to make me fail, I will refuse to fall. I will do everything humanly possible within the ambit of law, to stand. What I will not do is go against the law. Everything that is within the law, that is what I will do. And I know I will never fail. God will never let me fail. The way you people have planned for Igbo people to fail, God will not let them fail. Because Igbo people are created by God. They say the body of God is the temple of God. So because the body of God is the temple of God, you cannot bring down who you did not create. It is God that created the Igbo people, made them what they are. Go to one of the universities in America. They are learning Igbo language there as a course. They put it in their curriculum. Igbo language, people that knows the value of Igbos. Welcome on board, King Noah. They are not. They say richer people. They are not. You check yourself. You will know that it is in your community that that ritual started. I will make a video. I will show you a video. I will make a video after this video. I will make a video and show you who you people are. Okay? I will show you who you people are. Yeah. You plan to bring Igbo people down. It's not true because they are already blessed by God. Take it and let it enter your empty skull, empty brain. You need to study that man, King Noah. Go, and if I were you, I will study that man. How he came to sell cassette. You people said you are talking of kidnapping. All those ones you are doing is cho. Kidnapping. Those ones are ranting. This cho you are doing. You understand? That is cho. That's what you are doing. All right. You from your mouth, you say this man. How can a man that came to sell cassettes? See, Igbo man need to be studied. Americans are studying Igbo man. Let me tell you, if you don't know it today. Sorry, my brother. It's not our fault, okay? It's God. It's God that made it that way. They already included Igbo language in their curriculum. So you, Mr. King, sorry, my brother, you can apply to study Igbo language in American university. You are welcome to study Igbo language in American university. American people, they don't do all those muchu things Africans are doing. They already studied us. They know that these people are up to something. People that started with nothing and now they are something. After 3 years of war, after 3 years of needless war, Babangida came out and wrote on his book. He said that war, that coup was not an Igbo coup. After they wasted millions of souls. Okay? Now he came to say is needless. It was needless. It wasn't an Igbo coup. Can you imagine that? After using starvation to buy so many people, using lies, after they peddle all sorts of lies against Igbo people. They fought that war. According to them, that war lasted for 3 years. So if you can check by yourself, you know that God is with Igbo people. That was why they couldn't wipe the whole Igbo race for the 3 years course. They couldn't. God was with them. So now, after 3 years, after wiping out a community, after wiping people, then you come now at last to say, oh, it was not an Igbo coup. Can you imagine that? Can you imagine that? So now they gave Igbo man, the richest Igbo man, only 20 pounds. Only, my brother. They gave Igbo man only 20 pounds to survive. No matter if you have billions of dollars in your account, they only gave Igbo man 20 pounds to survive. What a wicked world. After finishing children, after finishing pregnant women, then you gave them 20 pounds. No matter any amount you have. That is crazy. That is crazy. I'm sorry for this video because it's making me to be emotional, but I'm going to try to comport myself. Then you people are mocking this man, this Igbo king, that somebody who came to sell cassette. Why won't he sell cassette? What do you want him to sell? He came to sell cassette. He did very well on his business. He got married to a Ghanaian citizen. They live there. They have their children. He lived his life all through his life there for over 30 years. He invested on real estate, bought a land. He bought a land. He acquired a land. He paid for it. He's not owing. He didn't owe nobody. Then he decided to build the land, or say, okay, I will build a community where we will live, and any of my tribe person that comes here, he or she is welcome. This man did not say it must be only Igbo people that he going to. Somebody built a hotel worth of over 100 rooms. Wait, is it only Igbo? How many Igbo people will travel to Ghana? How many Igbo people are going to travel to Ghana? Eh? So that tells you that he built it for all and sundry. He built it for everybody. He built it for you and I. Then why are you people using sheer wickedness now to bring this man down? Because you people are receiving money from your paymasters. You are receiving money from your paymasters. You know, because politics is on air in Nigeria. They must run Igbo people down. Shebi Peter Obi granted interview and said, oh, I'm running. So because he's an Igbo man now, everybody must Peter Obi. Let us try to spoil Igbo people all over the world. So if we spoil Igbo people all over the world, they have already Peter Obi is from Igbo tribe. When we spoil them everywhere, we have already succeeded to defeat him. No Nigeria is causing any problem. Okay, Mr. King, Nigerians are not your problem. Nigerians generally say they are hardworking people. Forget about all those mucho people that are now collected money from politicians, and they are now singing against the Igbos. Forget about that. They know all over the world. They know Nigerians are good people. And they know Nigerians as, hardworking people. Okay, there is no country, there is no place that you don't have few bad eggs, but you cannot generalize that bad egg. And this man now that this happened, that did this, that bought this land, this man that bought this land, the man did not commit any offense. So in your constitution, is it an offense for anybody to buy land from your people? A foreigner. Ghana people live in America. They have community. They have churches. They build their churches. They build their homes. They have estates in America. They have apartments. They build apartments here in America. Okay? And they have no problem. Americans don't have problem with anybody. Like, hence, you are doing your thing legitimate. They are good. You are good to go. You know? Hence, you are doing legitimate business. You are good to go. Why? What you will ask yourself is, why are Americans, why are they studying the Igbos? Why? Why did they include Igbo language in their curriculum and they are teaching it as a course, bachelor's degree? Why? That's a question you will ask yourself. Now, in North Carolina in America, they have awarded Igbo people every June. Is it June or July? Every June of the year as Igbo Day. And on that Igbo Day, you want to tell me Igbo King will not be there? My brother, you just they cry, never start. Our success is na God they do am o. No be person they do am o. So if na cry, una dey cry. Una just dey start. Okay? Una just dey start. If na cry, una dey cry. So now, Ghana people crown Arab man king. Ghana people, if you look at this thumbnail of this video, you will see the Arab man. You will see a Chinese man, they crown king. Even they carry the Chinese man on their head. Oh, madam, Ghana is your property. Are you God that created Ghana? If you are God that created Ghana, Madam Regina, if you are God that created Ghana, then I will agree that Ghana is your property. Ghana is your property. The one that you bought, where you are living, is your property. Where you did not buy is not your property. Ghana belongs to God. Okay? Ghana belongs to government and God. Sorry, madam. You are lying. It's not true. It's a lie. Ghana is, she said, madam, please, Ghana is our property. We don't need any Igbos to come and help us. We are not coming there to help you. Igbos are in Ghana to help themselves. Ghanas are in Nigeria to help themselves. Ghanas are in Nigeria. They live in Nigeria. Ghana, we have Ghana village. Let me show you, Madam Regina. Let me show you Ghana village in Gambia. So when they call the people Ghana people that are in Gambia, then I will know that Nigerians are not supposed to be in Ghana. But for the fact that Ghana people are still in Gambia, living there in their kingdom over there, Nigeria will live everywhere in the world. I'm sorry about that. If you don't know it now, okay? Ghana village in Gambia. Let me bring it. Let me bring it and show you. Yeah, this is it. I emphasize again, it is free to join my community. The stocks I share are also free. The technique. Yeah, let me show you, okay? Let me show you. Let me show you Ghana village in Gambia. This is Ghana. This is Ghana village in Gambia. This is Ghana people who left Ghana. This is Ghana people. They left Ghana and resided in Gambia. You can see them, ba? Well, you will see more of it. I'm going to show you the video. Wait. Let me put voice. I reduce the voice so that you can relate. This is Ghana people. Okay. Wait, let me fast forward it. This is Ghana people in Gambia. So Ghana can live in another country, not only in Ghana, right? You see it? Ghana town. Ghana town in Gambia. You can see it, right? You can see it, ba? You can see it. This is Ghana town in Gambia. 1957, after their independence. The same year. Wow. That was when they decided to embark on this journey to explore how Africa is, or to know. You can see it. This is Ghana people in Gambia. And they built their community. See how they travel through boat. They travel through sea to Gambia and they settled there. They are still living there up to today. So what are you telling me? Initial thought was to get to Freetown. Okay. But when they got to Senegal waters, the captain told them that instead of dropping them at Freetown, he has forgotten, and then they're already in Senegal waters. So if they like, he can drop them. This is Gambia, and the Ghana people left Ghana. Ghana people left Ghana to settle in Gambia, and they never returned back to Ghana up to today. They never returned back to Ghana up to today. So what are you telling me? Now you see another people, you are not afraid because you did it to Gambia. You went to Gambia, you settle in Gambia with your children, with your wives, with your properties, with your businesses. You know, this is Ghana people in Gambia. This is their village. They went there with their language. So when you are saying all these things they are saying, you have to reason. This is it. This is the village. You see, Ghana village in Gambia. I hope you can see it. Ghana village in Gambia. You can see it, right?
How's the living? Compare. I don't know, but you're not born in Ghana, so maybe you cannot know the difference between Gambia and Ghana. Yeah, but are you guys okay over here? When you talk of okay, I think because as of now, I don't think there is a place that somebody can say I'm okay. Yeah. If you don't see that, bro, I'm moving from UK to US and US to this place. So what we say is we're managing here. Okay. We are still managing here. Okay.
You see it, ba?
Like before. Because now the population.
You see how Ghana people left Ghana, went and built a kingdom in Gambia, and now you are saying another people will not come. You don't want people to help us. Nobody is helping you, Madam Regina. Let me tell you, nobody is helping you anywhere. Anybody that traveled to Ghana came there to help him or herself. You know, hence you are not God. It's God that created the world, and hence you are not God. Ghana is not your property. So this is Ghana, Ghana that migrated to Gambia to establish their empire there. And you are here saying that, we don't help us. Don't help you how? Don't help you how? Explain it now so that we will know. Don't help you how? Nobody is helping you, Madam Regina Ashanti. Nobody is helping you. According to the, I'm reading comments from what they are typing here. One lady said, Madam, please, Ghana is our property. We don't need any Igbos to come and help us. No Igbo person is helping you. Igbo man is helping himself. You have to help yourself. You're gonna study that Igbo man that came to sell cassette and later become billionaire. Okay? If I were you, I will study that man. That man is worthy to be studied. If you don't know it today, so that you will borrow sense from him and use it to establish Ghana. A man who came with nothing, he came to sell cassette. Now he's a billionaire. You know, through selling his cassette and all that, he got married to your sister. And you are not mentioning your sister in the picture. You are not mentioning your sister, right? You see, your landlord travel and see. You use one hand beat pikin like this. You no go beat your own child. When two children are having quarreling or doing something quarreling, you come, you beat another person pikin and you leave your own. No be bad belle be that one. No be bad belle be that. Now bad belle be that now. This man got married to your sister, and you are talking about demand. Igbo man, Igbo man, Igbo man. What about your sister? Is she a saint? So okay, your sister no follow own the land. You know, your sister no follow as the owner of that land. Now only the husband now get am. The man will now carry the land on his head, travel back to Nigeria. Land is immovable. It's a real estate. The man just invested as a businessman. He invested on that land. If he build hotels, build houses and all that, he will rent it to anybody that have money to. Igbo man will build a house and give it to you free of charge. Who does that now? Where have you seen such? If you have seen, tell me, so that I'll go and collect. You know, I have not seen. People will just be talking church anyhow. When I go just they talk church anyhow. See, For this platform, I will prove it to you people that is not like that. It is not like that. You people are paid. Many of you, they don't collect money from your paymasters, and you come here, come dey spew trash. You come dey spew opata here. It's not gonna work. You know, the man got married to a Ghanaian lady, and the man made his genuine money. If that the man, had it been that this man has put hand in it something that is not good, you Ghana people would have fished it out and start painting it. See what he has done. See what they're saying is, how can a cassette seller buy Ghana or buy half of Ghana? How can a cassette seller buy half of Ghana? Even pure water seller, as far as he's an Igbo man, pure water seller, you will see him. He will be doing that his pure water, selling that his pure water business every day, and you will be mocking at him. You will be mocking him. You will be laughing at him, but he will be making his money through that pure water sell. As you are mocking him or laughing at him, he's gaining popularity. And through that popularity, he's making his money. Who is a FOOL there? No be you. No, who be mumu person? No be you. I greet you. I greet you. Go and learn Igbo man. Make you know the jealousy. Make you know the jealousy. Go and learn. Learn Igbo man. Okay? Learn Igbo man. Oyibo people, they learn them. America now, then they learn Igbo language. So do you. Go and learn Igbo man. Stop all this your jealousy. E no go take you anywhere, and e no go make Africa develop. See Wodemaya a social media influencer in Lagos or in Lekki. They gave him a street, Wodemaya street. That's why I like Nigeria. You know, they accommodate people. They they don't do all this your discrimination you are doing. They don't do discrimination that you are doing. They accept foreigners because they know when foreigners, what brings development in a country is foreigners. When foreign peoples bring investments, bring investment inside the country, then that country will start growing. So there's no two way. Like one guy like that, that guy must be a Ghana person. Let me bring the chat, the message, what that guy type here. Okay, let me just, I can't bring it. I can't get it closer. It's not handy. I can't get it quick. So the guy, I wrote a comment. I replied a comment on one of the social media platforms. So this guy came and replied me, like this guy now, as this guy King Noah said. So this guy now came and replied me. He said, madam, you people should tell him, we are not joking. We are not joking. By the time we finish dealing with him, he go know. Ha! I said, please. He said they have caught the man and they have sent him to prison. They have arrested the man, that they have sent him to prison. I asked in that comment section, I said, for what offense exactly are you talking about? That he bought a land. For what offense? The man said, madam, we have told you, just tell him if he didn't desist from what he's doing, that they are going to do that. I now wrote again. I said, landlord, travel and see. Ghana people are also in another man's country. They are in Gambia, they are in Nigeria, they are in US, they are in Canada, they are everywhere. And they are doing their businesses. They built their empire, they built their kingdoms, they built their communities there, and they live there. So it's not a new thing that people travel to other countries and establish. Okay? So when I said that, the guy came again, say, Madam, you say that a landlord travel and see. I say, yes. He said, I myself, I traveled through the desert to Libya, from Libya to Italy, from Italy that he's currently in that from Italy that he's currently now in Germany. You see, a Ghanaian guy, he said he traveled from Ghana through desert to Libya, through Libya to Italy, through Italy to Germany, that currently he is in Germany. Is that not illegal travel? Is it not illegal movement? You see the illegality I'm telling you people. You see the illegality we are talking about. Only that description. I say, you see, he's now exposing himself on social media. You know, if he's in America now, eyes will go and through this his chat now, eyes will go and grab him, send him back to Ghana. He is lucky that it's not America he's residing. He is lucky. If it had it been it's America he's residing, by saying this, a Ghana guy came to comment section to come and challenge me. He came to comment section, said he traveled through desert, that madam, he has traveled more than me, that he traveled through desert to Libya, from Libya to Italy, from Italy to Germany, and that currently he's in Germany. I wish he's in America. Eyes will come and carry him because of what he just said. You see? So that's to tell you illegality is everywhere. Illegality is everywhere. There's no way you say 100% this community, this tribe, this country, that there's no bad egg there. No, 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 no. Every country there is a bad egg. And you cannot use that bad egg to generalize. Now brand every other person. And that man, this particular man, did not do anything wrong. If he did anything wrong, I'm not going to come out here to say anything. It's because I can see that the man didn't do anything wrong. He bought land and somebody sold that land to him. So why are you crying? Now maybe you want to forcefully collect that land back from him. No be that one be the juju be that. No be that one now. Na him be the juju. Enough. E don do o. That's enough of all these things. You don't need us. You know, the man sef na him travel go Ghana. Person travel from Nigeria, japa from Nigeria, Ghana na him be the country where you go come japa enter. No be from fry pan to fire. Person wey say, madam, we no call you to come and help me. Nobody is helping anybody. Any country you find yourself, you're helping yourself. God created this world to enter all of us. Okay? Tomorrow you will go and pray. You go and say, God this, God that. You don't know that God is in human being. You think that God will come out like this, you see God in your koro face. It's not true. So learn how to accommodate your fellow human being. This king Noah, he said, madam, we stay Ghana with Burkina Faso, Malians, Niger, Togo. All these people you are calling, no be from there they carry Boko Haram enter Nigeria. No be all these people you are mentioning their names. No be them carry every election they will go, their paymasters will pay them. They will come to Nigeria and claim to be Nigerians. When they commit something somewhere, anywhere in the world, when they catch them, they will say they are Nigerians. Even this Ghana, when they go anywhere in the world, commit atrocity, when they catch them, they will say they are Nigerians. They will never claim Ghana again. No. They no go claim Ghana again. When they catch them, they go say, I no be Ghana, I be Nigerian. See the people you dey mention. You see the people you are mentioning. Now those people where if they do anything outside Nigeria, they go do all those ones we wrote here. Because I cannot use my mouth and mention them. It's not everything you can mention here. You got to learn the Igbo people, my brother. Americans are learning them. I'm sorry. There's nothing we can do. No be we do. No be we do am. Now God do am for us. You know. Now God, success is all over us. Hey, I'm sorry. If you like, call us anything you like. Who God don't bless, no man can curse. Okay? Igbo to the world. God don already ordain. God don already ordain them. God don already bless their hand, their akanchawa, their handwork. Anything they put hand, you see how they flourish. You say the man came to Ghana to sell cassette. Now he bought half of Ghana. Can't you see that God hand is in it? Can't you see that God hand is in it? Me, I know they sugarcoat anything. No. Say, make I, madam, no talk, make them waiting. We go talk am as it is. Hey, my tablet is showing me low battery. Give me a second, guys. Give me a second. Let me put my this thing, the charger. Let me put the charger on. Okay. Ghana people, una buy market. Una don buy market for my hand. Una don buy market for my hand. I know dey shame. Una shame dey shame me sef. Una shame dey shame me. Because this one wey una dey do, una no dey do like people wey enter 4 walls of school, secondary school. Make I start like secondary school, yeah, because na secondary school, if you go secondary school, na im be say yes, you're educated. Leave university, leave that one. Na for secondary, if you go primary, come go secondary, yes, you suppose to know wetin dey sup. Una don buy market from my hand o. Una go online come dey tarnish the image of a whole tribe. Come dey talk like say na everybody in that tribe did this, did that. What did this man do now? What did he do? He bought land from your person, from your people. That is the offense. Is it on your constitution? Bring it out, let us see. Where it is written on your constitution that in your constitution, where you wrote it, where your constitution say that you will not sell land more land worth of some acres of land to foreigners. In Nigeria, Chinese people, the one Chinese people bought many years ago, that was the reason why the news you had that they seize, Chinese people seize presidential jet. Buhari's, is it? Yeah, Buhari's presidential jet too, if not 3. Chinese people bought land in Nigeria for many years ago. Plenty acres of land though, in a remote place. You know, those people are so cunning. They bought land in Nigeria for so many years ago. They bought plenty acres. Now Nigerian people went and maybe we made use of the land. Now they now seize presidential jets. It's on news now. Google it. It's on news. So any foreigner can come and establish, can come and build anything in any country. God is the owner of the world, or the owner of the earth. You are not the owner of Ghana. You are not the owner of Ghana. God is the owner of Ghana. If you don't know it today. And God created human being. It is politicians that divided and subdivided the country, so that it will suit their ambition. So that it will suit their political ambition. Now, all of us are quarreling each other because of the plans the politicians has made to suit themselves. This Igbo man, my question is, this Igbo man, is he a president of Ghana? Did he vie for presidency position? Is he a senator? This Igbo man, is he a senator? Did he vie for any post? No is the answer. And that is where he started failing it. He said he will build a community where him and his family and his people will stay. He didn't say he's going to be Ghana chief of Ghana. He said Igbo chief, Igbo king living in Ghana. What is the offense? The man didn't carry knife, oh, he didn't carry gun, oh. The man no dey do like this, oh, no dey take one, oh. The man no dey take white powder, oh. The man no dey do all those ones, oh. Those things wey be say na him be. I had one blogger like that, one Ghana mushroom blogger like that. He's saying, hey, that thing say supposed to be treason. Treason what? Na people wey get empty brain na im go fit talk like that. He say it's supposed to be treason. What? Person bought land from your man, from your people, and because the land is plenty, and he say he want to use it build a community for his people, and now you are saying treason. How, my dear? You people are reducing your quality. Hey, you think you are doing that man, but at the same time you are doing yourself. You think you are doing this man, you are not, oh. You are doing yourself. Okay? Paymasters from Nigeria that are doing politics. You know, politics is on air in Nigeria now. They can pay any payable to make sure say they rubbish Igbo tribe name, so that maybe as Peter Obi say he want to run, so that they will say, Peter Obi you want to vote for, is he not an Igbo man? Igbo people that are not behaving well, why do you want to support them? So if you had collected any money from any paymaster, return the money, because that one na just waste. Okay? The Igbo king in Ghana did not steal the land. Remember, the man bought that land, registered the land. He did not steal it. He bought it. You guys said he bought it. He bought it, right? Even the man say he didn't. The thing did not. The thing he wanted to use the land for was not there. They didn't give him approval. He didn't get approval, so he fashioned the thing. He forgot it. He left it. Yet you people are crying foul. Why? For crying out loud. Eh? You people are afraid of him or what? You people are afraid of his successes. You people are afraid of somebody that came to sell chin chin, somebody that came to sell pure water, somebody that came to sell cassette. They say it's cassette. That man came to sell cassette. Now he's a millionaire. Now that man they give you headache. Why not go and study that man? Why not you go and study the man? When you study the man, you will know how he grow that small business to big one. That even politicians, that even big guys now are respecting him. If I were you, like Americans are even studying Igbo, that is the way I will study Igbo too. The way Americans put Igbo in their curriculum in university, the way I will also put it in my curriculum. Because you need to study these people. After 3 years of war, they just gave them 20 pounds, and they were able to survive, and they were able to do very well, thrive well. It's not a boast, my dear. It's not boasting. It's not boasting. You need to study the Igbos. The Igbo man is not posing any threat to Ghana. Know it today, please. The man is not posing any threat. He's not posing any danger to Ghana people. The man loved Ghana so much, and that's why he got married to Ghana lady. That's why he spent all his life in Ghana. Look at, he spent all his life. He has been there for over 30 years. serving Ghana people. Because anywhere you spend up to 30 years, you are serving that place. You do all your businesses there. What people need, you do it there. You do transaction, you do everything. He got married to Ghana. What wrong has this man done? That is still my question. That's what question I asked on the other platform, where that guy was now saying all sort of things, that he travel more than me. He said he travels more. He traveled, madam, I've traveled more than you. You know, you guys supposed to learn this man that started with peanut, started with nothing, and now grow with time. I'll leave you guys here. We will still this talk, e go long. I'll come again. Oh. Meanwhile, thank you guys for watching African Lioness TV. I remain the African Lioness. The lioness. You know what lioness can do? Yeah, I am the African Lioness. Who go there, arrange things. If una no arrange am well, we go help you arrange it. As dem dey talk cho for social media, that is why I come here to arrange it, to say it as it's supposed to be. Accommodate your sister, accommodate your brother, accommodate any human being on earth. Accommodate any human being on earth. You are not supposed to be, I don't know, I wanted to HOS style. Don't be that. Because I don't know if I say it, if it's against the community guideline here. Sometimes we choose what we say because you don't know the one you will say that will now flag the this thing. So that's why we don't say it anyhow. So I love you guys. I love my Ghana brothers. I love my Ghana sisters. I love my Ghana family. And I also love the Igbo king and his family. And the wife, our wife, our Niger wife, our Igbo wife, our Ghana Igbo wife. We love you, madam. All right. So one love, Africa, one love. See you guys in another one. Okay. Bye for now. Peace. Hey.